Welcome to North Texas in the wintertime. This time of year, you'll probably see some ants. Now you could see some little tiny ones that are on your counter, and maybe you'll see one or two that are a little bigger. But the best thing to do is to gather up those ants, bring them in so that we can identify them. Because you just never know. There are some insects that act like ants or even look like ants. Termites can look like ants with wings. There are other insects like gnats. Sometimes people think that they're flying ants, but they're not. So, and we do have the products that you need to take care of the ants at this time of year. So remember to bring in your ants or take a really good picture if you can't get a hold of them so that we can identify. Identification is the most important thing in getting the right product to take care of the right insect. As you can see, there are a lot of different ants, so it's very important that you bring in a picture or a sample of what is in your home. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. So have a great winter and be aware of what's going on around you.